Wouldn't it be great to use your cell phone or maybe even your computer to make $80 in 5 minutes over and over again with no money up front and completely and utterly free? Just imagine what your life would be like. Sitting on the beach, drinking some coffee, knowing that you have a consistent stream of income coming in every single day, if not every 5 minutes. Take a moment and ponder what your life would be like with an extra $80 in your pocket every 5 minutes. What would your life be like? Would it be worth it to watch this video and learn how to do this? And it's completely free. This strategy costs you nothing. With that in mind, just think what your world would be like without having to worry about where your next dollar will be coming from. You want to take some nice time away on an awesome vacation? I just got back from Florida, and it was awesome to get away. Yeah, I know that we've been hit pretty hard with the pandemic, but this is pandemic-free money. You can make this on the side as a side hustle so you can go on that nice ski vacation that you've been talking with your family about for years. It's finally to take action. Wouldn't it be awesome to take your family on a wonderful vacation? All right, so if perhaps skiing is not your thing, but the beach is, okay. It gives you freedom. And that's what this channel is all about, to give you some chances to get some extra money so you can be free. And this is all free.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? And I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
Okay, so in this video, I am going to show you how you can make $80 in 5 minutes over and over and over again. The first site we're going to go to is called Social Tradia, and no, you don't need to have an Instagram account. No, you don't need to buy an Instagram account. No, you don't need to sell an Instagram account. But what I would like to show you is a little something that caught my eye, and these are all Instagram accounts that are for sale. How come this person over here has one for sale for $9,000 and ones down here have it for $100 or $110 or $120, another $120? This one has $500. Why are these selling for so cheap, yet there's another one up here that's $9,000 or $500? It's because these other Instagram accounts don't have enough followers. All right, so what we want to do is to sell these Instagram account holders some more followers, and this is how we do it. We identify who these people are and we send them a personal message to them. So you can sign up with this site called socialtradia.com, and you go in there, you set up an account with them, and then you can contact these people individually. But do not spam them or you will get banned. Okay? Do not spam them or you will get banned. It is much better to do it on an individual basis and tell them how much value you can give them by selling them real followers and not bots. These are actual real people. So another thing is, if you sell these people bots, you'll probably get banned as well. So that's something to avoid. So the next step is to go over to this site called viralrace.com. Again, it's viralrace.com. And here is the services that you're going to offer them. However, they give you money, you go over here, and then you basically drop ship it. So you can sell this service for twice as much. Okay, sell this service for twice as much. So here you can offer them 10,000 followers for 160 bucks, and you get 80 bucks back as profit. And you could do this over and over and over and over again. All right. But you're probably saying, Bob, that's all well and good, but we need to, they don't know me, they don't like me, they don't trust me. And if you go back to my other videos, I do believe I talked to you about know, like, and trust. So what you have to do with these Instagram account holders is to build that rapport. Okay, that takes a little bit of time. But the actual process is very fast. So once they give you an order, it's very fast to fulfill that order. That's why I say in 5 minutes over and over again. But the process to set that up may take a little while, okay? But you got to stay consistent. That's the key. So how you can gain their trust is by giving them some free followers. So here's another site. It is called papri.com. It's papri.com, and you go over to the Instagram followers. Okay, and then over here you can send them 10 free followers. So in your presentation, you want to put that in, and you and to prove my service, I can send you 10 free followers right now with no obligation. And they'll go, oh, okay. Who's going to say no to that? Probably a lot of morons or don't know what they're doing over here. What we want to do is to bump that $140 up to $9,000. With 490, that's almost 500,000 people. Can you imagine, just for a second, if you had this, how much visibility you get for whatever thing you're doing on Instagram? It's an amazing tool. This is an amazing strategy, and it's so simple, guys. And it's completely free. You don't need to put any money up, but you can get $80 back, and I just showed you. So it's very simple. You just hit buy now, and that's it. You may have to log in to get started, and you go through all the different steps about putting your name, putting in a password, etc., etc. And same with Papri, and same with Social Tradia. But once you get in, you can start making money using these 3 sites over and over again. You can make $80 in 5 minutes over and over again. So that's basically it. I mean, it's short and simple. It doesn't get any easier than that. So you can use PayPal to exchange the funds so you can make some money. And it's a great strategy for you guys. And I hope you take advantage of this and stay consistent. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.